Alright guys, so today we'll be talking about the Lige GT40 smartwatch. Actually, Lige reached out to me and sent me this GT40 smartwatch for review. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you the unboxing and first impression about it. And later on, we talk about the review. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So let's start with the price. For the price, you can get it on Aliexpress for less than 21 US dollars, as you can see here. And this guy comes with 1.8 inches screen, so it has a lot of fantastic features that you can go through and you're going to enjoy your smartwatch. So I'll be sharing with you all that you need to know about it. As you can see from this pack, it comes with this fashion new style GT40 at the front, and it has fashion new style by the side, and here also fashion new style. And at the back, you are going to see the specification and how to use the smartwatch with basic parameters. You can also see this QR code, which is the Fit Pro app. You are going to scan that to sync it up with your smartwatch. So that is the assigned app for Lige GT40 smartwatch. So let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Wow. So from the box, we can see we have the first thing, which is the user manual or user guide. And you can go through that. It comes in English and Chinese language. The next thing we are going to see here is the pin remover tool. Wow, this is nice. I've not seen companies doing this, and as you can see, it comes with extra pins that you can use for your smartwatch. I think there's a chain bracelet here. Okay, as you can see, it comes with this chain bracelet, and that looks fantastic. That is good of them. They made something good, and they also add this for you in case you want to remove the strap. So the next we are going to find is the watch itself. This is how it looks like, guys. This is fantastic. See how the watch looks like. So let's switch that on and come back to the watch. So we are going to talk about the watch a little bit. As you can see, Fit Pro. So let's come back to the watch. Let's see what else you can find in the box. Another strap. So it comes with two straps. In case you don't want the chain strap, you can go for the rubber strap. This is kind of silicone strap, and it's very small one. This should be 20 mm in length. Here is the screen protector that you are going to install on the watch. And here is a qualified certification of the watch. And last but not the least is a magnetic charger for the smartwatch, which you can use to charge it up. So first of all, you have to charge it up before the first time use, as you can see. And when you plug it up, it's going to start charging. So let's check out the watch itself. So when you swipe down, you are going to see noon. That is for the message. If you are receiving message on your smartwatch, you are going to see it here. And when you swipe up, you are going to see the airplane mode. You're going to see the touch light. You're going to see the music control. You're going to see the do not disturb mode and the Fit Pro app and the style. So let me show you quickly the style. It comes with 5 styles of menu. So this is the first one. If you want to go, this is the first one, as you can see. And if you go to the second style, this is the second one. It's very smooth. If you go again to the third style, as you can see, just swipe down and you're going to see your menu. Fourth style, the first style this way, and the fifth style. Okay, you just have to swipe up and pick your option. So I'm going to go with the second style, which is this. I like this. So let's check around what you are going to get when you swipe left or right. When you swipe left or right, that means you are going to change the wallpaper. As you can see, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 watch paper. With this makes it 5. So you have 5 watch paper pre-installed on it. So you can also download others from Fit Pro app. So let's see some of the menu we are going to find in the watch. So when you go here, you are going to see some of the menu this way. That is the core function. You're going to see the heart rate monitor. You're going to see blood oxygen, which I'm going to test in my review. You're going to see the health circles, the camera, It's come with settings. If you want to set it, about of it, this is where you can switch it off, and also you can also use it to summon serial, set language. If you want to set any language, you can see set date. You can set your date. You can use the backlight, and you can use the go back time. So the backlight, let's set it to 30 seconds so that it won't be switching off every now and then. And there are lots of functions of this guy. Okay, so you can check that out. And if you want to buy, just check down in the description box. You are going to see the link to this smartwatch. So there are a lot of functions there if you want to check on this smartwatch, a lot of them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the full review of this smartwatch. Bye for now. Peace.